how's it going, everybody? Today, woo! It's really windy. It is really windy today, so I have no idea how well you guys are going to be able to hear me. But we had something really cool going on today. There was a big storm blowing in. It's probably difficult to tell how windy it is unless the sound is terrible, in which case I apologize. But we had this big storm blowing, lots of clouds over the mountains. It was really, really cool looking. And sun, you can see the sun is just about to set right here. So there you go. Like, you can see just how close to the horizon it is right now. So I'm kind of rushing because I don't have a lot of time. Number one, because the sun is going down, but number two, you can tell by what I'm wearing today. I'm a hockey fan, always have been, and today, as of recording this, actually in about a little less than an hour, is the first playoff game of the season for my local team here, the Golden Knights. So I'm trying to get this done, racing the light as well as racing the clock to get back and watch the game. But I wanted to take you guys with me real quick, see what we can capture, because I think we're going to get some interesting light rays right here. And we do have some clouds that I really think are going to catch some light as soon as the sun goes behind the horizon. So I'm going to set up, find a composition. As soon as I'm ready to go, I'll talk to you guys again. There's so much dust blowing, but let's hope that's the only time I gotta change my lens. Okay, obviously due to kind of the dynamic range issue we have in this image, it's definitely going to be bracketed. Right now I'm exposing for my foreground, which, as you can see here, maybe, there you go. It's just going to be this little yucca tree. Oop. This guy right here, hard to see, I know, I'm sorry. But I'm going to expose for that guy right here real quick. 2-second timer. Hopefully the wind doesn't destroy this. And then, now that we have that, I'm going to expose. I'm going to actually expose twice for my sky. So what I want to get is I want to get the here we go. I want to get the sky nice and blue there, and then I also want to expose again to pull out some of the detail that is down in sort of those lower clouds. So much wind, it's making it really tough. So there's the third image there. So you can kind of see where I'm exposing for, but yeah. There's 3 shots, one exposed for my foreground, one exposed for the color in the sky, and the third shot was exposed for the blue portion of the sky. We'll have to see what it looks like once I get it into Lightroom. But yeah. Thank you guys for coming out on this windy, quick adventure with me. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing. Ooh, little break in the wind. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And yeah, from beautiful Las Vegas on night 1 of the NHL playoffs. Go Knights, go. And yeah, thanks for watching. Until next time, take it easy.